Are you tired of feeling like you're carrying a beach ball in your stomach? Bloating can be a real mood killer, turning joyous moments into uncomfortable ones. But what if I told you that relief is just around the corner? Introducing LiveGood's Hormonal Balance for Women, your new best friend in the battle against bloating and discomfort. Imagine a life where menstrual cramps are soothed, food cravings are reduced, and your mood is elevated. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality with our carefully crafted formula. Every ingredient is scientifically sourced and rooted in years of research, designed specifically to support hormonal balance throughout your life stages. Say goodbye to those annoying hot flashes, unpredictable moods, and the constant battle with bloating. Feel empowered to embrace your day with confidence. With LiveGood, you're not just addressing symptoms, you're investing in a solution that enhances your overall well-being. Don't wait another moment to feel your best. Join the countless women who have transformed their lives. Experience the difference today and let bloating be a thing of the past. Your body deserves this change.